kami. Enjoy your day po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Erica. Mama Chup Chup.
Para sa'yo ang kagat ng akin.
Happy birthday, Erica. It's Vlogger Contest. Happy Erica, happy birthday. I'm glad na there's another year for you to live your life. And I hope you stay pretty and stay safe always. And I hope you achieve your dreams in life. So, yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and more birthdays to come.
Shoutout sa'yo, Erica. Happy Tag Day. Mabuhay kang kailan gusto mo. Peace out.
Gago, ang talaga nun. Yo, happy birthday, Erica. Wish you a good day and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ate Erica May. Enjoy your day po and sana ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong ma-achieve mo yung goal mo ngayong 2025 and may handaan ba dyan? Baka po imbitado kami. Thank you. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po kay Eka. Ay, Charis! Ayun, naglalakad na naman ako sa high street kasi nagmumuni-muni na naman. Tapos naghanap ako ng pagkain, te. Ayun lang, bye-bye.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Pasensya na kung di ako makakapunta sa pa-Cuervo mo. Sana saluhin mo na lang yung shot ko. Also, congratulations sa graduation mo. Yun lang, God bless. Take care always.
Birthday, Ate Erica May. Enjoy your day po and may God bless you. Merry Christmas in advance.
Garcia nga pala. Gusto ko lamang pumbatiin si Ate Erica ng happy birthday. Mabuhay ka po hanggat gusto mo.
Hi Ate Erica May, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Padayon si Muhang Goal. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Eka. Wishing you a day as kind and wonderful as you. May this year bring you so much joy and blessings.
Hi Ate Erica, happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday kay Erica. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Ate Erica. Inom na tayo.
Happy birthday po Ate Erica and I hope mag-enjoy ko po sa araw na to and I hope lahat ng mga wish mo maging totoo.
Happy birthday, Ate Erica. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw at more birthday to come. And sana gumawa pa ng maraming grahams.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. I'm wishing you a birthday filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make you the happiest. I hope I see you soon. Ingat parate, and again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Erica. Ang sarap ng ano mo. Thank you.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. I hope the world treats you well.
Happy birthday Ate Erica. Wish ko lang po sana po maging successful ka po and mas lalo gumanda. Ayun lang po. Thank you. Erica, mabuhay ka na matagal. Happy birthday Nina.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Oh my God, I miss you so much. Happy birthday and ang wish ko sa'yo ay ang 3 Gs. Good grades, good food, at good health. Namimiss ka na ni Wolfie. Bisitahin mo na ulit ako, please. Baka mabaliw na ako, te. Tagal mo nang hindi nagpaparamdam. Para ka namang, backburner ba ako? Wee! Anyway, happy birthday ulit. Thank you. See you soon!
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal-tagal. Enjoy your day po.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. God bless you po. Ingat lagi.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Invite mo kami yun. Peng carbonara.
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal kahit ikaw na mag-isa sa mong mundo.
Kung sino ka man, Erica, happy birthday.
Donnie Pangilinan po. Gusto ko lang pong batiin si Ate Erica ng napakasayang happy birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka.
Happy birthday, Erica. Ba't ka ba nag-birthday ka pa?
Yo, happy birthday sa'yo, Erica. Ang aga ng alak mo. Game na.
So yun, what's up? Happy birthday sa'yo, Erica May. More birthdays to come in your life. And I hope God will give you a good health. Take care always, Erica. I hope you enjoy your very, very special day. Peace out. Happy birthday, Erica. You know, reflecting the past few days, na-realize ko na sobra kitang na-appreciate for being there with me, growing up, to my highs and lows and ups and downs. So, I wish you the happiest, best birthday, and I also wish you good health, good opportunities, good fortune, more happiness, more success, inner peace, stronger faith, better opportunities, financial stability, a loving heart, genuine friendship, more confidence, career breakthroughs, personal growth. Hindi ko na alam. Just, I wish you the best. Feel free to modify this and tailor this according to your needs and benefits. Anyway, bye-bye. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday again and see you soon. Sana matanggap mo na yung regalo. COD yan. Keme.
Happy birthday, Erica! Rampa na!
Hi Erica, happy birthday. Para sa iyo to.